Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 11th February 2025. Political news. Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025, Prime Minister Modi engages with students. On 10th February 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi conducted the 8th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. This annual event focuses on alleviating exam-related stress among students. This year's session featured a new town hall format and included insights from notable figures such as spiritual leader Sadhguru, actress Deepika Padukone, and athletes Mary Kom and Avni Lekhra. The event saw record participation, with over 3.56 crore registrations, including students, parents, and teachers. Union Budget 2025, focus on middle class relief. On 1st February 2025, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the Union Budget, introducing significant tax relief measures for the middle class. Individuals earning up to 12 lakh rupees annually will now be exempt from income tax. The budget aims to boost consumption by increasing disposable income among salaried individuals. These measures come ahead of upcoming elections in Delhi and Bihar, signaling the government's intent to address middle-class concerns. Sports news. Delhi Open 2025 commences. The 2025 Delhi Open, part of the ATP Challenger Tour, began on 10th February in New Delhi. This fifth edition of the tournament features top-seeded players such as Veet Kopiva, Billy Harris, and Tristan Schoolkate. Indian players Ramkumar Ramanathan, Mukund Sasikumar, and Karan Singh have received wild cards into the singles main draw. The tournament will continue until 16th February, showcasing both national and international tennis talents. Union Budget 2025, increased allocation for sports. In the Union Budget presented on 1st February 2025, the Ministry for Youth Affairs and Sports received an allocation of 3,794.30 crore rupees, reflecting an increase of 351.98 crore rupees from the previous year. The Khelo India program, aimed at grassroots sports development, was allocated 1,000 crore rupees, up from 800 crore rupees in the prior year. Additionally, assistance to national sports federations was increased from 340 crore rupees to 400 crore rupees. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates and have a wonderful day ahead.